Hello, I am Krishnendu Sengupta. Today I have come with a new type video. This is totally depends on terrain mapping and avoidance obstacle avoidance algorithm. And now I am explaining the code for a drone quadcopter drone with two ultrasonic sonar sensor and four motor. So at first I am mentioning the trick pin, eco pin, trick pin, eco pin, total four numbers uh, for two ultrasonic sensor, 2 into 2, and the associated pin number with this pin regarding those pins. And here you can see cost int out 13 here in the circuit, here in the integrated circuit LD293D. You can see the output pin connected to the negative, all output pins connect to negative and positive of each motor respectively. So four motor into two, eight eight output variables and their associated pins. And after that there is void setup function. You can see in this function, this is pin mode, trick pin 1 output, pin mode eco pin 1 input, pin mode trick pin 2 output, pin mode eco pin 2 input. This is actually for two ultrasonic sensor, trick total four trick pin and eco pin, each have one trick pin and eco pin. Trick pin functionality is to radiate signal, and eco pin receive the signal. That's why eco pin is input pin. And again there is four output variable for eight output variable for four motor, each have two, and the duration and distance variable as long data type. Here you can see void loop. This low high low, this indicates the pulse width modulation function with some delay 2 and delay 10. And here is, you can also see digital write trick pin 1 low, duration pulse in eco pin 1 high, distance function duration by 58.2. I will upload the code, don't worry about the code. And here you can see same function in case of trick trick pin 2. This is only for not, this is nothing, this is only for pulse wide modulation, modulator working principle, digital square wave generator. It's just that, not any details, mystery in there. Okay, so the distance function duration by 58.2 according to the program. Here if else program is the most crucial part. Here if distance less than 50, digital write out low, out to high, out 3 low, out to high, out 5 low. In this is the main criteria of um, yeah, for four four connecting point, for four motors, 4 into 2, for total 8 output port. And there is also for else, if else comes in else L function, here low high high low low high high, because here the pattern is different. It's as a mystery, because in case of quadcopter, if we want to um, avoid an obstacle in horizontal manner or in vertical manner, then we have to write these functions. These functions combine the each motor speed according to the thrust vector principle of the drone. If you want to move forward the drone, you have to decrease the speed of two motors in the front side of the mm, mm, drone quadcopter. And if you want to left and right the drone, then you have to decrease or increase the diagonal, each any diagonal motor combination of the drone in quadcopter. uh, and if you position the ultrasonic sonar sensor, one ultrasonic sonar sensor in the beneath of the drone and front of the drone, then it will be mm, work as a terrain mapping algorithm and obstacle avoiding algorithm in both cases. So I am compiling the code for understanding you better understanding. Open it into IDE, Arduino IDE, then already I have copied, then verify it, verifying. It takes successfully compiled, no error. So this is the code and successfully compiled, no error. Sorry, there is an issue with my tripod. Mm, so I am attaching the code link in my in this video. And there is some problem with the circuit diagram. Later I will try to give you the circuit diagram, but for now the circuit diagram quite tricky because I don't know what is the fault with the circuit diagram. I have tried many times. Extremely sorry for this. Many times I have tried, but I think there is a silly logical mistake from me. When I will successfully solve this issue, I will upload the circuit diagram also. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel, and bye bye.